Across the industry, Brady is known for having the most durable and aggressive label materials. That means your labels will stay in place, indoors, outdoors, and in the harshest environments. Brady uses a highly disciplined, rigorous approach to product development. After meeting with customers to understand their needs and exact applications, Brady materials are then developed and extensively tested in our own R&D center before we manufacture them to meet the highest quality standards in the industry. So you know the materials will always work the way you need them to. The BradyPrinter printer prints onto continuous materials, pre-cut labels, and even pre-printed supplies, all designed to make the specific labeling applications quick and easy. Choose from over 250 label parts in all. For the widest range of labeling applications, Brady's new B595 tape is our best industrial vinyl ever. This tape is extremely durable, tested to perform in industrial environments, and lasts 8 to 10 years outdoors. It features an aggressive adhesive and is highly conformable, adhering to even problem surfaces such as ABS plastics, blow-molded equipment cases, painted cinder block walls, and highly textured powder-coated surfaces. For specialty label applications, the BradyPrinter printer has you covered with an extensive range of Brady materials, including photoluminescent glow-in-the-dark, magnetic, and raised profile engraved plates, and more. Simple, powerful, with the best materials. That's the BradyPrinter sign and label printer. Label it once, label it right. The way label making should be.